So few months back I made a video on Archean Chemical Industries where I did the complete analysis from the fundamental to price action, and I showed you how strongly this company has been growing, how strong its customer base is, client base is, and also how nice its operating profit margin is in comparison to the other companies in this industry, which makes it a promising investment. In today's video I am going to give you the update on Archean Chemical Industries price action, and I will let you know why this stock is at a very crucial level for investment. But please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite. Right, with that said, let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Archean Chemical Industries in daily time frame, and first of all I would like to show you what all things I have marked already in this chart. So I have marked one support resistance line here, which is marking these areas which was acting as support, and these areas were acting as resistance. That's why I drew this line, blue line. Okay, so first thing that we are able to notice is that this resistance area, this blue line, has now turned into support here. Okay, which is a good thing. And then you must be wondering what this black line is. So this black line is the anchored VWAP. Okay, anchored VWAP, I took this point as I set the point here. Okay, then the stock crossed through that line, but finally we are able to see that two times it has already used that line as its support. So which is a good thing, because we need strength in order to decide if you want to make an entry in a stock or not, and this stock staying above the anchor VWAP is definitely a good sign. And also it has been using this resistance level as its support two times, okay, here, and now it is again resting on the anchor VWAP line. Now the next thing that we are going to see is the 50 EMA. So I am going to enable 50 EMA here, and what do we see here? So the 50 EMA has also started providing support to this stock, and we can see a crossover of 50 EMA above the anchored VWAP. Generally this is a very good sign that the uptrend has started, clearly, in simple words. Okay, and that is what we are seeing here. And we can also see that after that we are getting to see some big green candles back to back. The red candles, small red candles are over. Now we are getting to see back to back big green candles, okay, which is a very good thing here and here. And now it formed a short term resistance level here, which has already been broken by this green candle, okay, big green candle, and then 2 days it has stayed above that. So clearly indicating that the strength has been built up and the stock is starting a new phase of uptrend. Now we are going to check the momentum indicators, okay, and when we look at the momentum indicators, we are getting to see that a MACD crossover here has already happened. Along with that, the RSI level is also staying above 60 level. Okay, so clearly indicating that the stock has built its momentum and it could continue its way up, right? So these are the factors which are completely in favor of Archean Chemical Industries. Now the question is, should you invest in it at this point? I would say if you are looking for a company with high growth potential, which has a lot of expansion to do, which is promising, which is debt free, which has good shareholding pattern, good operating profit margin, and has been growing year on year, then Archean Chemical Industries is a stock you cannot miss. Okay, and when should you enter? Definitely the answer is already we have already discovered. You can make an entry right now, but make sure to do the complete analysis yourself once. Okay, we can definitely make an entry right now. It is at the early stage of uptrend, or you can say it is just entering the stage 2. Okay, and how long should you stay invested in this stock? I would say do not keep a fixed percentage in your mindset like 15%, 20%, but still if you want a fixed number, let me help you with that and give you a profit taking target. Okay, so I'm using the fib retracement for that, and I can clearly see that Archean Chemical Industries has already started using the 50% level, that is 705 as its support, and it is starting to go up, and it also has the support of the 50 MA as I already showed you. Let me show it again. Okay, you can see the 50 EMA is also providing support and also the crossover as I mentioned. So where can you take your profits? So your first profit taking target should be the middle part of 141 to 161%, and that is this level. So let us see which point will be a good level. Okay, so I can see if I use the middle point 970, that will be a good profit taking target, 970. Okay, so 50% profit you can book at 970. Okay, and if you want to again completely exit, don't want to hold it for any longer, then the next percentage will be 200%. So you can exit at 1100% next, 1100. So 970 and 1100, these are the two profit taking target for Archean Chemical Industries. Now let's say you still want to stay invested in this stock and don't want to exit that early. Okay, then what can you do? So what you can do, you can take partial profit or 50% profit in between these two levels. So I would say, let's say you are selling 50% of your stake at 1000 level. Okay, then remaining 50% you can keep and watch this stock. As long as the stock stays above the 50 EMA, you can stay invested in this one. Okay, when it starts turning downward and the stock starts using it as resistance, there you exit the complete stake. I mean, sell the remaining 50% of the stake and exit completely. So that is the approach, investment trading approach for Archean Chemical Industries. Okay, and I hope this video was informative and helpful. Please hit the like button, share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. And let's say you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, then consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis boost. And don't forget to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. You will find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.